These are the Twizzlers candy straws in a rainbow version. It is a licorice sweet that is a low-fat and kosher treat. Twizzlers are a fun snack, and this version is great for parties if you use them as straws for beverages. Let's open the package. The package is resealable. The straws come in 6 delicious flavors: blue raspberry, watermelon, lemonade, orange, grape and strawberry. The only bad thing about them is that they are artificially colored. This snack is delicious and chewy like the classic Twizzlers licorice candy. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.